Hello everyone, I'm from Group 3 and today our group will introduce to you about OpenTable case study. Before coming to the presentation, these are our members. At first, let's have a visit to OpenTable commercial video.
Order up, dig in, and dine on. You don't need a reason, you just need a restaurant. Find yours at OpenTable.
Now we have an overview of restaurant market that why OpenTable chose this industry. Restaurant market is highly fragmented and local because about 30,000 small and independent businesses in this industry. It seems that people need real-time access and instantly booking confirmation because it's really a matter of customers to book and come to the restaurant. However, at that time, most restaurants did not have computers, so it's slow to leverage the power of the internet. From those market characteristics, OpenTable chose restaurant industry for some reasons. Firstly, there has not been any method of making reservation online at that time. The second reason is that the internet was changing things for diners by providing them with instant access to reviews, menus, and other information about dining options. Last but not least, online reservation was underserved area, so it took low barriers to entry. So, OpenTable was founded by Chang Templeton on 2nd July in 1998. In 1998, the website began operations, offering reservations at a limited selection of restaurants in San Francisco. After some marketing strategies that didn't work out, OpenTable halted its marketing efforts and narrowed its focus to 4 cities, which are Chicago, New York, San Francisco, and Washington, D.C. And then, in less than 20 years, OpenTable has gone from a startup to a successful company that faces for over 2/3 of the nation's reservation-taking restaurants as clients. On 13th of June in 2014, the company announced that it was acquired in an on-cash deal for $2.6 billion by Booking Holdings Inc. OpenTable was positioned as a leading American public company that offered real-time restaurant reservation service. OpenTable was the world's most popular website for making restaurant reservation online. It believed that our story is one connection among diners, restaurants, and their communities. To win the market, OpenTable took full advantage of SaaS business model. Software as Service, or SaaS, it means OpenTable is a service-based e-commerce company, which means that customer gets the software functionality through subscription and use it immediately. Right after the customer access, the website and app will connect directly to the thousands of computerized reservation systems at OpenTable restaurants. And reservations are immediately recorded in a restaurant electronic reservation book system. This system provides a real-time map of restaurant floor and enables the restaurant to retain meal patterns of all parties. For more specific, I'm gonna go into details. For restaurants pay a one-time fee for on-site installation and training, a monthly subscription fee for software and hardware, and a transaction fee. The ERP system at the restaurant connects via internet to form an online network of restaurant reservation books instead of paper things. This system allows restaurants to build diner database for improved web recognition and targeted email marketing. E-commerce system also supports restaurant viral marketing through eVice. For diners, the online reservation service is free for diners. The OpenTable website, mobile site, and mobile app provide a fast, efficient way for diners to find available table in real time and on time, 24/7. In 2015, its first payment feature that allows users to pay for meals completely within the OpenTable app. Web Center runs on many devices that iPods, iPhones, Apple Watch, and the web. This business model attracts restaurants because, first, it's an e-commerce company that is very easy to get software functionality through subscription. OpenTable does not sell goods, dynamic reservations. OpenTable like social network sites provide service. Its efficiency and cost saving for both vendors and customers. In this model, everything is on the cloud. In case if it requires more storage and additional service, they still do not need to install anything more. The last attractive thing is that OpenTable does not take any set of cost. And now, together, we figure out business strategy of OpenTable. Originally, OpenTable paid online reviewers for links to restaurant websites and target national chains. It had fast expansion into 50 cities but huge loss. OpenTable spent $1 million a month and brought in only $100,000 in revenue. After that, what did OpenTable change to succeed? They cut off expense and shrink market to only 4 cities. Deploy door-to-door Salesforce. As a result, OpenTable got huge success with 1 billion diners and over 20 million diners per month. In the end, we're going to discuss about the reason why competitors cannot compete OpenTable. At first, this is because OpenTable builds scale quickly. Secondly, OpenTable is software easy to use that satisfies customers. From OpenTable, users can check diner, food allergies, and preference. The fourth reason is that OpenTable had advantage of network effects. Another strength of OpenTable is that it was early to the market. Last but not least, it's available in multi-platform like website, mobile site, and mobile app. So far, that's the end of our presentation. Thank you for your time. Please leave your comment below to contribute to our presentation.